how to turn on or turn off keyboard handwriting pen detection on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down. And from here, tap on general management. Next, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then we scroll down. And in here, tap on handwriting. At the top here, tap on pen detection. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. Finally, we can go down and tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.